The Piper PA-28 Cherokee is a family of 2-seat or 4-seat light aircraft built by Piper Aircraft and designed for flight training, air taxi, and personal use. The PA-28 family of aircraft comprises all-metal, unpressurized, single-engined, piston-powered airplanes with low-mounted wings and tricycle landing gear. They have a single door on the right side, which is entered by stepping on the wing. The first PA-28 received its type certificate from the Federal Aviation Administration in 1960. The PA-28 series competes with the high-winged Cessna 172 and the similarly low-winged Grumman American AA-5 series and Beechcraft Musketeer designs. Piper has created variations within the Cherokee family by installing engines ranging from 140 to 300 horsepower, 105 to 220 kilowatts, offering turbocharging, retractable landing gear, constant speed propellers and stretching the fuselage to accommodate 6 people. The Piper PA-32, initially known as Cherokee 6, is a larger, 6-seat variant of the PA-28.